just come off the Easter bank holiday weekend, long weekend. So first full day of trading. Just having a look over the S&P here. If you remember from last week, we talked about the trend channel and some of those 2019 lows from March and June, and we've broken above all of that over the weekend. If we zoom down to the trend channel, you can see we closed above, we came back, failed to close below there again a couple of times, and we're finding support on that level. There's definitely an argument, if we were to keep closing above there, that this market's going to go higher. I guess first real target you'd be looking at is 28.50, the low that we had from the end of Feb and also the 3rd of October last year. It is, in my opinion, a buy above that trend channel on the daily closes. Daily close below, and we can start to look for things to drift back down. Looking at a shorter time frame now on the 60-minute, you can see really maybe that signal for a sell will come in below 27.13. Basically the lows from yesterday and Friday as well, Thursday actually, because obviously with the bank holiday. So be looking for this area below for the sell signal. Whether that can come in or not, we've got to wait and see. But above 27.50, that's where the trend channel is an area I think people will be looking to get long as well. Another interesting market for me, gold pushed to new highs for the year. I think we can probably just drift a bit lower. Pivot today looks pretty good, is also the high that we had back on the 9th. That could be an area where people look to get long again for this market to continue to push higher. Spot market comes in around sort of 1700 as well. I think that could be a decent enough level to get in. However, we are just coming down over the last sort of few hours, so just keep a watch on that as the way gold can move. If it breaks this whole area, which I'm about to circle now, it could be that people start really taking profit and we get those moves back down to 1725, the lows that we had from yesterday morning. Elsewhere, currencies, the dollar relatively weak this morning. The euro, however, is up a bit, about 20 ticks or so, but it's been topsy-turvy because we're in a very key zone. You can see these lows that we had here turned into highs and again tested yesterday. Decision time for the euro now. You'd be a buyer if it closes above really the 110 handle, or a seller if we can close below yesterday's high. It's choppy, it's uncertain at the moment, so I would wait for a bit more confirmation to come through, and it's could be a good opportunity when that happens. Above there, be looking for price to really get towards this whole point here, 110.50, and if it breaks, well, I think we could get back down to the lows that we had on the 8th. And then the second target, really, there's the 6th there. So there's a couple of good opportunities potentially for the euro. But the focus for now for me, S&P preferring the long, gold, keep an eye for a pullback to get long again. And the euro, wait and see, long above 110 or a short below yesterday's low.